Okay, this is section 1.3, and today we're going to be talking about the order of operations. Our goal for today is I want you to be able to use the order of operations to evaluate an algebraic expression. Okay, so first of all, why do we have the order of operations? Well, we have the order of operations because the order that you perform the operations in an expression affects the answer. So this way, everyone is going to get the same answer. It doesn't matter if you work it or I work it, we're all going to do the same process. Now let's take a look at the order of operations. I'm going to call it GEMDOS instead of PEMDAS for please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the first thing I want us to do is, well, what's G? That's grouping symbols. Those are things like parentheses, brackets, and even fraction bars are also a grouping symbol that you may not traditionally think of. E, that's exponents. So 5 squared, that 2 is an exponent. You take care of that first. M and D, notice these are both in green. It's multiplication and division. Now, one thing that's a little bit different about these is you're going to take care of these as you get to them reading from left to right. Okay, next we have addition and subtraction, so they're kind of equal as well. Again, we're going to take care of these as we get to them in the equation when it's their turn, going from left to right. So it's not that you do all of your addition first and then all of your subtraction. You do addition, subtraction as you come to the problem left to right when you get to this portion. Now let's look at a couple of examples. I have 7 plus 3 times 2. Oh, I've got to do multiplication comes before addition. So I have 7 plus 6, and 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, and that's my answer. Okay, now let's take a look at 12 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 7. Remember, you have to think about your order of operations. The first thing that you're going to take care of is 9 divided by 3. So we have 12 minus 3 plus 7. Now I'm going to do my order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. 12 minus 3, subtraction. And that's first as I read the problem left to right. 12 minus 3 gives me 9. Now I've got 9 plus 7. And what's 9 plus 7? 16. The main thing with these is to slow down. Don't get in a hurry. Look at your problem first. Now I want you to hit pause. I want you to work these last two, and then I want you to turn the computer back on and check your answer. Okay, now let's look and see how you got started. I have 9 minus 4 gives me 5, so now I have 29 minus 3 times 5, which is 29 minus 15. 29 minus 15 gives me 14. It's my final answer. Now let's take a look at the next one and see how you did on it. We're going to take care of what's inside parentheses first. Inside the parentheses I have 2 times 4. So I have 2 times 7 plus 8 minus 10. So I have 2 times 15 minus 10. 2 times 15 is 30 minus 10. So my final answer is 20. Now let's see what happens when we add a variable. Now I have 3x squared plus 1, and I want to look at this when x is equal to 4. So everywhere that I have an x, I'm going to put a 4. So I have 3 times 4 squared plus 1. Well, what's 4 squared? I have exponents, so I've got 3 times 16 plus 1. What's 3 times 16? 48. So I have 48 plus 1, which is equal to 49. Okay, now I'd like for you to do this one. Go ahead and hit pause now and resume the video when you finish. Okay, let's see how you did. So we plugged in 3 for the x, so I have 27 divided by 3 squared plus 9. I take care of my exponents first, so 3 squared gives me 9. So I'm dropping everything down. I've got 27 divided by 9 plus 3. 27 divided by 9 gives me 3. 3 plus 3 gives me 6. Okay, now let's look at that fraction bar. That's going to be the one that may make you a little uncomfortable. Fraction bars they're actually pretty easy once you get comfortable with the way they look. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to simplify the numerator. Next, you're going to simplify the denominator. And then when you're finished, you're just going to simplify the fraction. So let's take a look. The numerator, 7 times 4, what is that? It's 28. Now I've got to take care of this denominator. I've got 8 plus 7 squared minus 1. So I really have 8 plus 7 squared is 49 minus 1. Now I'm just going to simplify because I'm down to addition, subtraction. Just go from left to right. So now I have 28 over, well, what's 8 plus 49? It's 57. I still have minus 1. So I have 28 over 56. Now I'm going to simplify this fraction. So that means I'm going to find the largest number that will go into both my numerator and the denominator. And in this case, it simplifies very nicely because 28 will go into 28 one time. 28 will go into 56 two times. So my solution is 1/2. Always simplify your fractions. And that's all we have for today.